This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the database file and validating what it is. This matters because different tools handle formats differently. Once found, confirm you have read access and know the exact path. If the file is large, plan for copy time. If locked, close the app using it. Choose a tool now: DB browser for SQLite for a GUI, SQLite 3 for terminal, or a Python script when you need custom parsing. Begin by copying the file to a working folder. You now open the file with your selected method so you can inspect its schema and data. With a GUI, navigate to File, right arrow, Open Database, and load the file, then view the Browse Data and Database Structure tabs. With SQLite 3, execute Tables to list tables and Pragma integrity check to ensure consistency. When coding, connect using the library, create a cursor, and run select statements to sample rows. Make sure you avoid write operations until you have backups to prevent accidental changes. You finish by extracting what you need and validating that the data is intact. Export important tables to CSV or SQL so you have portable copies. This helps avoid reliance on the original file. Review table schemas and sample rows to confirm expected columns and types. If you encounter a locked file, copy it while the app is closed. If corruption appears, run Pragma integrity check and try recovery utilities or restore the most recent backup. One tip: always work on a copy to protect the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.